Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linus Pro and this is lab 15.1.5 and we are going to switch users. So earlier in the day you created a user account for Brenda Cassini. When she tries to log in, she is unsuccessful. You realize that you misspelled her username as B Cassini. So you are logged on as Wadams, so you will have to address this issue as the root user. The root password is provided. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, your task is to change the login name from B Cassini to B Cassini with a double S, and change the home directory to /home/B Cassini with a double S. When you are finished, view the etc/password. Password is spelled PASSWD file to verify changes. Let's go ahead and start lab. So we wait for the lab to load. Meanwhile, if by the end of this tutorial you find this video to be helpful to you, you may also want to consider joining my professional membership, where you have detailed a video guide on how to solve any TestOut lab at all, no matter how complicated it is. Also consider liking and subscribing to my channel, so that you have access to a wide variety of educational video materials to help you in your educational journey. So the lab is loaded. Let us go ahead and start up right away. So we open terminal, and then from the first task we are going to use the su command --c space user mode space -l space B Cassini and space -d space /home/ B Cassini space B Cassini with a single S, and ensure that this is quoted. So we press enter and we're going to impute the password. Bear in mind that when you impute the password will not be visible, neither will the cursor move. Don't worry, just ensure the password you impute is the correct password. Make sure the spelling is correct. So when you're done, you press enter. All right, so the next thing we want to do is to, when you've finished, to complete this. The root password is, so this is the password that we use, don't forget. And so we're going to type in CAT space /etc/ /password, which is PASSWD, and you press enter. And we'll go ahead and score lab. So if you find this video to be helpful to you, also consider sharing in other educational platforms, other educational websites, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and what have you, YouTube. And also like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.